Hello and good afternoon, dear students. My name is Dr. Shuaib Mohammad Bhat. I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of English at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So today in this video lecture, we shall be talking about an important topic, that is importance of soft skills for engineers, for engineering students, for engineers, for upcoming engineers, for the engineers of tomorrow. We shall be talking about what is the role of soft skills in the life or in the profession of engineering. Let's see what soft skills are and what is the role of soft skills in engineering field. Soft skills are non-technical skills that describe how you work and interact with others. And unlike hard skills, they are not necessarily something you learn in a course like data analytics, like programming skills. So these are non-technical skills. These are not the skills which can be termed as technical skills or hard skills or physical skills. Then they are soft skills. And these are non-technical skills which describe how you work and interact with others. So it means it has some relationship with our behavior, with our interaction. And unlike hard skills, they are not necessarily something you will learn in a course. These are not like hard skills which we learn in a course of time or which we learn in any institution like data analytics or programming language. So soft skills are different from hard skills. So like hard skills, for example, we have a photographer. He knows the art of photography. He knows what are the different techniques which he or she should employ in order to be a good photographer. He knows different impacts of light, different postures. Same is the case, there is some computer programmer who knows programming, who knows the programming language, or who has different knowledge of different parts of computer. So all this knowledge, it constitutes all these things, they constitute this hard skill. If you are good at different skills, if you are good at different programming, or you are good with other program, so we can say you possess hard skills. But soft skill is something different. It can be shown or it can help us when we interact with others. And unlike these hard skills, they're not necessarily, it cannot be learned in a course. It cannot be learned in any institution. Rather, we learn soft skills. We learn it through experience. We learn soft skills through experience. We all are having soft skills inside. A soft skill, how you behave with people, how you talk to people, how you communicate, what's your body language, do you have leadership qualities, do you have the decision taking capability. So this all forms your soft skill. So these things we cannot learn in a course. They can be learned with the help of experience. So when you encounter people, when you encounter situations, when you confront different situations, you get an experience. You come to know how to interact with people of different temperaments. You come to know how to talk with people. You come to know how to deal with a situation, a specific situation. So it comes to us by experience. But there is a saying about experience. Somebody has rightly said, experience is the best teacher, but it comes often later. So experience, it comes often later. When we confront things, when we commit mistakes, we get experience. But it's better to get it. It's better to learn it sooner or later. It's better to learn it. So that in order to repeat the mistakes again and again, it's better if we commit it once and learn it and get an experience how to do it next time. So we learn soft skills by experience. Experience is needed to learn soft skills. So soft skills, they reflect your communication style, work ethic and work style. These soft skills, they reflect, they show how you communicate, what's your communication style, what's your work ethic, and what's your work style. This all can be shown with the help of soft skills, because your soft skills, they deal with these things: your communication, your work culture, your work ethic, work style, your leadership qualities, your decision taking capability, your body language, your behavior. So all this comes under soft skills. And there is a book written by Peggy Kloss. The name of the book is Hard Truth About Soft Skills. The Hard Truth About Soft Skills. Peggy has done a good research. Peggy has given a good account of soft skills. What Peggy writes? Peggy writes that according to latest research conducted at Harvard and Stanford universities, two of the greatest universities, two of the famous universities, Harvard and Stanford University, both the universities, they conducted some researches, and according to those researches, 15% of your career success is provided by your hard skills. 15%. In order to get a successful career, in order to be successful in life, so your career success, 15%, it depends upon your hard skills. Your hard skills can provide you support of only 15% in order to have a successful career. And rest 85% by soft skills. So 85% of your career success depends upon your soft skills. Now you just see how important soft skills is for all the people, for the people who belong to different domains. But right now we are talking about the people who belong to engineering section. So for engineering section, for engineers, for the students who are pursuing their engineering courses, soft skills can help you up to 80% for your successful career. So your hard skill is your knowledge which you are having. You know programming, you know Python, you know other these skills of your subject. That all comprises hard skill. But your soft skill is how you showcase your knowledge, how you showcase your excellence, how you showcase your competence to the people, to the companies, to the MNCs, to the placements which are coming to interview you. How good you are at your body language. Do you have the teamwork qualities? Are you able to work in a team? Do you possess the decision-making capability? Because tomorrow you may be required by the company for decision-making, for any new product, for anything in your company. So 80% of your career growth, of your career success, it can be given to you by your soft skills. Soft skills get little respect but will make or break your career. So these soft skills, they get little respect. Unfortunately, they get little respect, but they can make or break your career. If a person is not good at soft skills, see, tomorrow after completing your degree, you all are going to placements. You will face interviews, whether through placements or through some other mode. So you may be having good skills of your subject. You may be carrying all your skills of your subject. But unfortunately, if you are not able to showcase your skills, so you may not be selected. If your skills cannot be accompanied by your body language, there are chances you may not be selected. If you do not show that you have the decision-making capability to the panel, you may not be selected. If you do not show you have leadership qualities, there are least chances for your selection. So this is soft skill. If you carry it, if you have soft skills, it can make you a life, it can make you a career. It can make you a successful person. But in the same way, if you do not possess soft skills, there are chances that it can break your career. You cannot make progress when you do not have soft skills. So soft skill is a key for the success of your career. As I told you, it gets little respect. People are not giving much attention to soft skills. People are begging behind, they are running behind hard skills. But your hard skills alone cannot let you survive, cannot help you to make your career, unless and until it has the company of soft skills. Soft skills is a synonym for people skill. Soft skill is also called people skills. People skills. Obviously, we need it for interpersonal communication. In order to maintain our relation with the people in the society, we need soft skills. In order to show our excellence, we need soft skills. In order to share ideas with the people, we need soft skills. And it is called people skills because everybody is possessing soft skills. Now it depends upon how loyal you are with your soft skills, how good you are with them, how well you are putting these soft skills in practice and exercise. Otherwise, everybody just possesses soft skills. So the term describes those personal attributes that indicate a high level of emotional intelligence. The term, it indicates those personal attributes which require high level of emotional intelligence. Decision making requires high level of emotional intelligence. To support your talk with the help of body language requires emotional intelligence. When you understand your audience, when you come to know that you can make a better impact on the audience with the help of your body language, that means you possess some intelligence. And when you have the leadership qualities, that again is the proof that you are a person having a good intelligence, emotional intelligence, having good mental capabilities. So, one can attain these, one can be good at soft skills when one is good with emotional intelligence. And unlike hard skills, which describe a person's technical skill set and ability to perform specific tasks, soft skills are broadly applicable across job titles and industries. So unlike hard skills, if we go with hard skills, they can describe a person's technical skills. These are the skills which a person requires in order to perform a specific task. So you are good at computer, you are good at programming, you have programming skills. You can be good with the specific programming only. And there is a photographer. A photographer is good at the profession of photography. So he possesses the skills which are required to take photographs, to record videos. So he can take help of those skills only for a specific activity, that is to take photographs or record videos. But soft skills, they are applicable across job. We can take the help of soft skills in all the activities, and moreover, we can take their help in job titles across jobs and industries. They are more required for jobs. They are more required for industries. To work in an industry, we need a people who are good at soft skills. Soft skills can give you a job. They can make you eligible for a job. They can make you a better candidate for a job. And it's often said that hard skills will get you an interview, but you need soft skills to keep the job. One of the best points about this slide, about the whole concept of soft skills. Your hard skills can give you a job. You have a certificate with you of your degree that can get you a job, that can give you a job. You possess different skill set which is required for a particular job, hard skills, that can give you a job, no issue. But your hard skills help you to maintain, to keep on, to go on with that job. So you can continue your job in a better way when you have the knowledge of soft skills. So your soft skills, they help you to keep your job. Your hard skills, your certificate, your degree, your skills, the hard skills, they can make you an eligible candidate for a job, and you can get a job at times only because of hard skills. But it's your soft skill. It is the set of your soft skills which makes you a better candidate to go on to carry your job for a longer period of time. Because when you have the teamwork quality, when you know how to work in a team, you are always a welcome candidate. You are always a welcome employee. When you have the leadership qualities, your boss will trust you. He would love to see you in his or her company. So when you know how to use your body language, you will be more productive for the company where you are working. When you are good at your communication skill, obviously you will be a blue-eyed boy or blue-eyed candidate. Your name will be called for every positive reason. So soft skills, it helps you to carry on your job. It helps you to go on with the job, or it sustains your job. It protects your job. Now, let's see what are the experts saying about 21st century engineers. What sort of engineers we require nowadays? Let's see. We have Kalani Jones. He is engineering vice president at Tachyon. So what he says, Kalani Jones says, we look for people who can lead a team. So, vice president at Tachyon, a person who is highly associated with the field of engineering, opines that we look for people who can lead a team, someone who can get a small team, 4 to 6 people, motivated, and a person who can quickly learn which people are best at doing what. So these are the experts in the field of engineering, and one of the experts says, we need a people who can lead a team. What does this mean, who can lead a team? We need a people who have leadership qualities. Does your information technology, does your civil engineering, does your chemical, mechanical, aeronautical engineering provide you leadership qualities? Programming provides you leadership qualities. Other Java provides you leadership qualities. So it can only be given to you by experience. This is a soft skill. You cannot learn it while attending an institute. You can go to the market. You can face people. You can be a leader in any situation where you will learn many things. So leadership qualities are required. It's not only, this person has not said we require engineers who are meritorious, who have CGPA above 9 or above 8 points. No doubt that's also a good thing. If you possess that thing, that's a good thing. But apart from that, we need a people who are leaders. Someone who can get a small team of 4 to 6 people, who can motivate them, and a person who can quickly learn what people are best at doing. A person who can quickly learn. How can you learn quickly? When you have that decision-making capability. Yes, this person requires this thing. So it can be understood if you have that decision-making capability. If your intelligence is high. So this is what people nowadays want engineers like. So we do not want engineers only who are meritorious, only who have excellent grades. But we need people who possess soft skills, who have leadership qualities, who are eager to learn, who have decision-making capabilities. Then we have John Rennett, engineering manager. Again, he's at Aeroflex. He's from at Colorado. So John Rennett says the soft skills are just as important as engineering skills. Engineering skills means hard skills. So he is of the view that soft skills are as important as engineering skills. Now here it's clear, it's not only your subject knowledge that can help you in order to get a job. No. You need to have soft skills because they both have equal share in order to do a job, in order to have a successful career in engineering. So, Renat says, at a startup, a small company trying to win contracts, it's important to know to use these skills very efficiently. Conflict resolution also comes into play during some contract negotiations. Although most people think of conflict resolution as something that happens mainly within their own offices. So when companies are just at a startup, a small company, when a small company tries to win contracts, it's important to keep these skills on board, to think about these skills very efficiently. Because you may face some conflicts in your business, in your company, in your industry. So these skills, they help you to resolve your issues. They take you to some negotiations. They take you to some conclusions, some solutions. Soft skills. Because your soft skills, they let you to talk in a very refined manner, in a very polished way. Then we have Joseph Lilly, area manager at Bell South in Lafayette. Let's see what Joseph Lilly says. The key non-technical skill I prefer to see people polish are public speaking. Public speaking, written communications, and ethics. So one of the influential person in engineering says, the key non-technical skills I prefer to see in people, or I prefer to see people polish, one is communication skill, written communication, and ethics. All three things come in soft skills. Then let's go with the slide again. The goofball in that bunch is ethics, which I define as doing the right thing. But the key thing is that along with your technical skills, you have got to be prepared for the times when personal skills come into play. So the main thing in all these skills, Joseph says, is ethics, and ethics is to do right thing. Ethics is to be honest with your job, do right things. Then again, Joseph speaks that it's your personal skills that play a key role. Your public skills, your soft skills, your people skills that play a key role in any profession, particularly in engineering. Let's see, what are employers looking for an engineering graduate? After 2 years, you will be engineering graduates. Now, what are the modern employers looking for in an engineering graduate? Number one, I would like to quote Martin Dare. He is Director, Solution Partner Organization, Hewlett Packard, Australia, which is in Australia. What Martin Dare says, this company looks graduates that tend to be successful normally have a sound grasp of importance of customers. Importance of customers. So companies are looking for the people who know the importance of customers. How can you know the importance of customers? Does your engineering subjects teach you the importance of customers? It comes to you by soft skills. You can better make a customer important to you. You can make him or her feel that you are an important customer when you have good communication skill, which is a soft skill. So soft skills are required by the companies nowadays. Then Lauren Jones, again from Australia. Lauren is from Huntsman Corporation. We look for engineers who not only have excelled in their studies, but exhibit excellent interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills. The skills which we require to interact with the people. Again, people skills. Again, soft skills comes at rescue. Again, soft skills is the target of Lauren Jones. So people or these engineering people are experts in the field of engineering. They require engineers who not only have excelled in their studies. So it's not your high CGPA that is required. It's not meritorious students who are good, who are meritorious in engineering. They only are required. Your merit only cannot give you a successful career. Rather, your interpersonal skills, rather your soft skills, your public skills will help you to get a successful career. Then we have Amal Hanna, Manager of Delegate for Transgrid and Vice President of Engineers, Australia. What's Amal Hanna speaking? Brief knowledge of the interviewing organization's activities and background, a positive attitude, and display a confidence in the graduate's own abilities impresses the interviewing panel. What impresses the interviewing panel? There is nowhere written knowledge of engineering. Nowhere it's written. It's brief knowledge of the interviewing organization activities and background. It's a positive attitude and display of confidence. Positive attitude, confidence. You get confidence when you speak good, when you have good public speaking skill. So positive attitude comes to you when you are good at other skills. Again, this all comes in soft skills. Then I would like to quote Michael, IBM Corporation. He is an officer in charge of graduate recruitment. He deals with the graduate recruitments. Graduates who have experience of working in teams and are highly regarded. Which people are highly regarded? Who have CGPA of 9%. Yes? No, that's not the case. People who are working in teams. People who know the teamwork, how to work in a team. So they are highly regarded. I'm not saying this is Michael, who works in IBM Corporation and works as officer in charge of graduate recruitment. So soft skills for engineers are much required because people want you because of your soft skills. People do not want only your merit. People want your soft skills. So then, what is the importance of soft skills? It's to handle interpersonal relations. You can handle interpersonal relations because of soft skills. What are interpersonal relations? Interpersonal means among the people, within the people. We can maintain our relationship within the people when we are good at soft skills. Take appropriate decision. We can take appropriate decision when we have soft skills, appropriate soft skills. To communicate effectively, we can better communicate. We can communicate effectively when we have the knowledge of soft skills. To have good impression and impact, to gain professional development, we can have good impression. People would like us. We will be in the eyes of people when we are having good soft skills. When we have soft skills and impact to gain, it has an impact. One can gain professional growth and professional development because of soft skills. As I told you, a person who is good at communication, a person who has leadership qualities, a person who has teamwork spirit, a person who is good at decision making, company will require such people. And when you are when you are one among 10 people, you will be promoted. You will be promoted to higher degrees. You will be getting good salary. Now, what are the most important soft skills? Communication skill, body language, decision making, self-motivation, leadership skills, teamwork skills, creativity and problem solving skills. These are all the main soft skills. Communication skill is first. Communication skill, you will find it always top of the essential skills list in any job advertisement. Wherever you will see any advertisement regarding job, the first skill which a company requires from its employees is communication skill. Fluent communication skill. Companies require people who speak fluent languages. If it is about English, fluent English. So it is the topmost skill which every company requires. People with strong communication skills can build long-term relationships. If you have strong communication skill, you can build good relationship with the people because you communicate with them. You make them feel you are essential people for them because of your communication skill. So people can use their communication to suit the circumstances. We can use our communication to suit circumstances, means our communication varies. So it helps us, it serves as a stepping stone, as a help to us in different situations. Then, body language. So face is the index of mind and it clearly displays the person's interest. Body language. Your face tells about your interest. Your face is indicating what is going on inside your mind. Your face tells me, are you understanding or not? Are you here or not? So body language, it presents to the audience what we feel and think about a particular matter. Your body language is telling me, what do you think about this lecture? How positively you are taking this lecture. And body language, we communicate with the help of body language. It's not only with the help of verbal communication we speak with non-verbal communication. That's body language. Like nodding head, like eye communication, like haptics, communication of touch. There are different terms. Haptics is the communication of touch. Oculesics is the communication of eyes. Proxemics is the communication of distance. So all these things, they come in body language. Then making decision. One more important skill, soft skill, is making decision. So every company requires engineers who are good at decision making. So decision making people are valued by the employers for many reasons. So see, being able to make decision in the life is the key to get in life. If a person is good at making decision, there are chances the person may be having good future, good life, because the person has taken appropriate or exact decisions wherever they were required. So decision making, a person who is good at decision making, he has a better future in engineering. Or every engineer must be good at decision making, because companies, they require the people who are good at decision making. And sometimes the actual decision doesn't even work. What matters is that you have made one and moved on. Obviously, it may happen at some junction of your life. You took a decision and it didn't work. So the better thing is this: you took the decision and you moved on. Because when one of your decision is not helping you, is not working for you, you will obviously take another decision. And that taking another decision, that shows that you are a person who is much required, because you have decision making capability. One decision has not helped you, so you took another decision and you moved on. So you moved on because of decision making capability. So companies require, or we require, engineers who have decision making capability. Another skill is self-motivation. People who are self-motivated, they move on by themselves. They do not stop. They do not feel stagnation. They work, they progress, they develop. They face circumstances boldly. So they do not need close supervision, and they are good at work, good to work with, because they are generally positive about life. People who are self-motivated, they do not need supervision of other people, because they are already motivated. It's always better to work with the people who are self-motivated. Every company may require engineering people who are self-motivated, because these people are positive in their life and they can be beneficial for the company. So it also helps to work on your personal resilience and adaptability to change. So it's always better to work on your personal resilience and adaptability to change. So one should be a self-motivated person. Another important soft skill is leadership. Every engineer should be a leader. Every company requires engineers, those engineers who have leadership qualities. So you can show if you are not directly managing others. Soft leadership is a soft skill. You can show if you are not directly managing others. It's not like you can only be called a leader when you are managing others. So you can show leadership qualities to your own self. When you are restricting yourself to follow a proper discipline, follow a proper order, follow proper principles, that means you're a leader of yourself. So one should not say, sir, I'm not the leader of a company, so how can I show my leadership qualities? You can be the first, you be the leader of your life. When you are civilizing your life, you are following a proper pattern. That means you are the leader of your instincts, your desires, your wishes. So leadership can be thought as of a collection of various other soft skills such as general positive attitude, outlook, ability to communicate effectively, aptitude for both self-motivation and motivating others. Leadership, it includes lot of skills like positive attitude and outlook, ability to communicate. We can show leadership in these different domains with the help of these different skills. Then teamwork. Teamwork is like leadership. Teamwork involves a combination of other skills. So it involves other skills as well. And teamwork is always needed. In every company, we require the people who love to work in teams. Because that individualism is gone. That not individualism, that separate lobbies, that's over now. So we need people who can work in the teams. When we work in team, when we have the teamwork spirit, we can better work for the company. So when company progresses, obviously there is our growth. So working in a team towards a common goal requires the intuition and interpersonal acumen to know when to be a leader and when to be a listener. So one should, in order to work in a team, one should have that intuition and interpersonal acumen to know the value of every person in the team, to know when to be leader and when to be a listener. It's much needed for teamwork. Then creativity and problem solving. So creativity and problem solving, it requires these creativity and problem solving skills are highly valued because they are hard to develop. Creativity and problem solving. There are very less people who are creative and problem solving. Every company requires the people who have the capability of solving a problem. Any problem may arise in your company regarding your data which you are having. If you have the capability to solve the problem, obviously you will be valued. You will be a good engineer in any company, in any firm where you are working. If you have the creativity where you provide new suggestions, where you provide new suggestions and advices to your company, to your bosses, so you will be valued by the company. Then time management and ability to work under pressure. So one more soft skill required for engineers is time management. One should know the value of time. So one should finish the work within the given time. And ability to work under pressure. Sometimes there may be the pressure of your time because of the last dates, deadlines, because of some new order, an order in bulk to your company. So you should have that gut. You should have that personality. You should have that strength, that courage to work under that pressure. It's not always, you may not be working always in the comfortable environment, sophisticated environment. Sometimes there may be some pressure of work, of demand. So you should have that ability to work under pressure. Well, these are the important soft skills which are required in every engineer, which every company tries to have, expects to have in every engineer. So I would like to just recapitulate it very quickly. We talked about soft skills. I gave you the definition of soft skills and hard skills. I told you soft skills, they are not technical skills. They are skills which can be learned by experience. We need not to enroll in any institution to learn soft skills. Then I talked about the book by Peggy Kulos. The name of the book is The Hard Truth About Soft Skills. There I told you 15% of your career growth, it depends upon your hard skills, and 85% of your career growth depends upon your soft skills. Then I told you again about soft skills. Then I share what experts speak about modern engineers. So they require people who have leadership qualities, who know soft skills, who are good at soft skills. So there are people, there are some influential people related to engineering who prefer to have people who prefer engineers who are good at public speaking, written communication, ethics, and there are various people who belong to the recruitment policies, who are directors, who are HRs of different companies. They require people who are good at soft skills. And then I talked about importance of soft skills. Then I talked about some important soft skills. There at the first, I talked about communication skill. This is the topmost skill required by every company. Then I talked about body language. Then I talked about decision making. Then I talked about self motivation. Self motivation is also needed because the people who are self motivated, they are needed by the companies. Everybody loves to work with the people who are self motivated. Then comes leadership qualities. So every company needs a leader so that he or she can lead the company. Then there is creativity and problem solving. People who have these capabilities are much needed in the company. Then time management and ability to work under pressure. So to work under pressure is much needed. Then if you want more material on soft skills, you can search these books. This is the list of books. You can go with these books. So here I end up my lecture. I would like to thank you all. Thank you for being for listening me carefully. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.